So the time is running out for Gala Games because I just recently realized something massive for the Gala Games price inside the daily time frame, and shortly after that in today's video I will also be revealing to you guys my new shocking targets for Gala Games in the short term, as well as my current expectations for Gala Games in the mid to long term. So we have a lot to talk about right now for the Gala Games price action, and you definitely wouldn't want to miss this update video I have right now for the Gala Games price. So today we are inside the daily time frame for Gala Games, and as you guys can see right now, I just spotted something huge for Gala Games, and in the next couple of days this could lead to volatility for the price of Gala Games. And I am of course talking about this huge consolidation pattern, which is this symmetrical triangle inside the daily time frame. And as a matter of fact, I want you guys to be aware of this right now because the price of Gala Games is right now closely approaching the apex of the triangle, which is the point of breakout, and we may be expecting volatility in the next couple of days, either towards the upside or to the downside, because a symmetrical triangle can either break either way. Now let us look into the respective targets for this symmetrical triangle by measuring the triangle. So if we do break towards the upside of the triangle, specifically above the recent swing high right here, then we would be expecting Gala Games to pump to a price target of around 0.094 cents. However, if we do see Gala Games break towards the downside of the symmetrical triangle, then we are expecting a price target of around 0.038 cents. So look out for these respective targets for the short term. We have 0.094 cents as our bullish target if we do see Gala Games pump to the upside or break above the triangle and flip it to support. We could move to this price target in the next couple of days. That is the bullish scenario. However, for the bearish scenario, we will not completely rule out the bearish scenario. So if we do see Gala Games break to the downside of the symmetrical triangle, we are going to be expecting a price target of around 0.038 cents in the short term. So to me, this is completely nothing to worry about if you do see Gala Games break towards the downside, because again, I am still feeling bullish for the Gala Games price, especially in the longer weekly time frame. If you guys take a look at the price action for Gala Games in the weekly time frame, it is actually, as a matter of fact, looking bullish, because if you take a look at this right now, you can see for the past couple of months or for the past couple of weeks, Gala Games has had this nice pump towards the upside right here, leading us to break above this huge resistance zone. So that is one bullish case that has been accomplished. We broke above a major resistance zone, and now we're having a pullback, as you can see in the weekly time frame. To me, this looks like a massive retest of previous resistance, now flip to support, before continuing the next leg towards the upside. So in the weekly time frame, the chart to me looks bullish, and I'm looking to enter into a long position over on Blofin.com. So if you're interested in trading, be sure to sign up on Blofin using my link in the description and claim your $30 bonus today upon sign up. So yeah, in the long term, Gala Games is looking bullish. As a matter of fact, I am looking to load up on my positions right here at this zone. We are currently trading within this support zone. So if you're looking to DCA into Gala Games, not financial advice, but to me, this blue zone is a decent level $2 cost average into Gala Games. Again, right now we are trading at around 0.058 cents, and to me this looks like a steal in my opinion, because in the next couple of months I am expecting higher prices for Gala Games, and essentially for the entire crypto altcoin market. I believe that everything would pump in the crypto bull run, and that includes cryptos from hot narratives. And as all of you may know, Gala Games is from a hot crypto narrative, which is a gaming narrative, and I believe that this narrative is going to be bullish overall. So yeah, if you're wondering that if the Gala Games charts look bad right now, to me this doesn't look bad at all. To me, it looks like we are actually, as a matter of fact, gearing up for the next leg towards the upside. So what are my targets for the long term for Gala Games? Because I know many of you would like to hear my current respective targets for Gala Games in the long term. So in the long term, I am essentially looking out for these two levels. So we have the first level right here of resistance. This is minor resistance for the long term. And our first target for the next leg towards the upside right here is at 0.18 cents. So this is at 0.18 cents. That will serve as our first target for the long term for Gala Games. And then right after that, we have 0.26 as our next target for the long term. So yeah, look out for these two targets in the long term. I believe that 0.18 cents and 0.26 cents will easily be met by the Gala Games price in the coming months as the bull run continues. And yes, if you're wondering, overall in the weekly time frame, the chart is looking bullish, and it looks like we're just gearing up for another leg towards the upside. We're right now having a pullback towards the downside to this previous resistance, down 50 support, and currently I'm just waiting for the next leg towards the upside in the long term. But in the short term, just watch out for this symmetrical triangle breakout, because to me the breakout is imminent. It is just in a matter of days, so expect volatility in the next couple of days or weeks, because we are right now about to break out of this triangle, and you already know about my respective targets. So I would like to tell you guys that we're about to go through one of the biggest bull runs of our life right now. And if you are serious about making life-changing wealth, you can no longer do this alone. You need a group of people. You need a network of people who would supply you with value, who would supply you with information, and who would supply you with updates about the market. And that can only be accessed through our private networking group over on Discord. This is called the Swan Group. It is a private networking group over on Discord where our members are growing steadily every single day, because I release weekly market insights and updates. And all we do is provide value. We discuss and plan on how we could take full advantage of this upcoming bull run by positioning ourselves for this huge opportunity ahead. So if you're not a part of this group yet, right here, right now, be sure to join our private networking group over on Discord through the link in the description and be a member today, because this doesn't last for long. As the bull run comes, I will make this server private and I will no longer be accepting any people anymore. So take advantage of this opportunity right now while it still exists, because this server again is going private. I will no longer be accepting any people in the bull run, and this is your chance to secure your slots today.